Artificial intelligence isn't just about chatbots anymore. It's about machines that can see, reason, and act in the physical world. Now, Hitachi and NVIDIA have announced a new initiative, a global AI factory, an ambitious project designed to power the next industrial revolution. But what is this AI factory, and why could it transform industries from robotics to energy, not just in Japan and the US, but also in Mexico? On October 2nd, Hitachi revealed it will build a global AI factory based on NVIDIA's AI factory architecture. The partnership combines Hitachi's expertise in operational technology, the industrial systems that power factories, transport, and energy, with NVIDIA's cutting-edge accelerated computing platforms. Hitachi's CEO, Toshiaki Tokunaga, said the goal is to speed up digital twins and optimize physical assets through physical AI. NVIDIA's Justin Boitano went even further, calling AI factories the engines of a new industrial revolution. So what exactly is physical AI? Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on analyzing data, physical AI interacts with the real world. It can perceive environments through sensors, reason about what's happening, and then act, controlling robots, vehicles, or entire industrial systems. Think of autonomous cars, precision robots, or predictive maintenance systems that can prevent a breakdown before it happens. This is the leap from digital insights to real-world intelligence. The AI factory will focus on strategic sectors: advanced robotics, robots for assembly, inventory, and quality control, autonomous vehicles, both for factories and public mobility, digital twins, virtual models of machines or entire plants, for simulations and real-time monitoring. Predictive maintenance, AI that uses sensor data to predict failures, reducing downtime and saving costs. These are not futuristic dreams. They're tools that can radically reshape manufacturing, logistics, and energy systems in the coming decade. To power this AI factory, Hitachi will use a combination of NVIDIA's latest Blackwell GPUs, specifically the HGX B200, alongside RTX Piro 6000 server GPUs and the Spectrum X Ethernet platform. The software stack includes NVIDIA AI Enterprise for deploying models into production, and NVIDIA Omniverse for ultra-realistic digital twins. All of this will run on Hitachi's IQ technology platform, providing the backbone for massive AI workloads. It's an ecosystem designed not just to crunch numbers, but to simulate, predict, and optimize the real world. The AI factory won't be a single building. It's a network of interconnected data centers spread across the United States, the European Union, and Japan, ensuring low-latency collaboration between global engineering teams. And the ripple effects will extend to Latin America, particularly Mexico, where Hitachi has deep roots in industries like automotive, energy, and advanced manufacturing. In Mexico, the global AI factory could accelerate automation in car manufacturing, energy grids, and logistics hubs. By integrating physical AI, factories in Mexico could cut costs, reduce downtime, and boost competitiveness in global supply chains. For a country that's already becoming a major player in nearshoring and AI adoption, this partnership could be a strategic advantage. So what does this all mean? Hitachi and NVIDIA's global AI factory isn't just about faster chips or smarter software. It's about turning corporate data into autonomous intelligence. Intelligence that doesn't just live in the cloud, but moves machines, cars, and industries. From robotics and digital twins to predictive maintenance, this could mark the beginning of a new industrial revolution. One where the boundaries between the digital and physical worlds truly disappear. The question now is, will countries and industries adapt quickly enough to take full advantage?